Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be talking about pinch gesture, or officially known as magnification gesture in SwiftUI. So let's go ahead and get started. What we can do basically, we're going to look at how we can apply pinch or magnification gesture to basically zoom in and out an image in the body text that's been given. So it's going to be a simple example, and we won't be able to run this example in the canvas because Alt, so basically double key, so double touch or multi-touch is not supported on the canvas yet. So we're going to take a look at this example inside the simulator. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an image here, and I'm going to use one of the image that's available inside my assets. So this logo right here, DevTechie logo, and that's what we're going to use. So we're going to say resizable, going to constrain it with frame, going to give it a shadow, also the scale effect. Okay, so for scale effect, we want to track the scale because what we're going to do is a magnification gesture gives us a value, a CD float value, and we can actually use that value to apply to the scale as well. So we can simply create a state variable here, state private var zoom level, okay, of type CD float, and we're going to give the default value as 1. And that's what we're going to apply here. So we're going to say self.zoom level. Okay. And then we're going to apply our gesture. So we're going to say gesture, magnification gesture. And we're going to look for onChanged. And with onChange, we're going to simply say it gives us value. So we're going to take that value and we're going to say self.zoom level is equal to the value. Okay. With that, if I go ahead and run this example, I've already set this as a main loading view for our simulator, for our app. And if I hold Option key, I see these multi-touch points. And if I zoom in, all right, there you go. All right. So if I zoom in, as you can see, the view is actually changing. The scale is changing depending upon how much how much pinch there is, right? So if you swap the pinch, it actually resumes that. So this is how you can actually take advantage of magnification gesture. Okay, so in the next video, we're gonna see, as you notice right now, the magnification can go on and on beyond your view, which is not really nice because that means that your users of your app can basically magnify that content beyond your app's constraint, and you want to actually provide a constrained experience just for your UI to behave nicely. So imagine, like, if this is a Photos app. I mean, Photos app actually allows you to magnify or zoom in as much as possible, but there is a constraint that's placed, like, it can go up to this point and not beyond, and that kind of experience you want to create. So you can create that constrained magnification experience, and we're going to see how we can actually do that in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.